This demonstration will show various features of the purchasing module within Genius Manufacturing ERP. Some of the key benefits of the purchasing module include giving you the ability to identify special parts required, buy for job and receive the part, real-time job costing. Let's take a look at the demo now. This is Genius Manufacturing main menu. Sometimes when you're releasing some jobs, you need to purchase directly on the job without having a bill of material allocating the parts. Let's move now to the PO module. And from there, a requirement was identified. We needed to buy an AC drive for a specific job. So we will do a PO for the vendor called ESSER. We'll pick the vendor. From there, we define that the delivery date should be no later than this Friday. And we will add the item we're looking for. So we're looking for an AC drive. We can see all the AC drives that are available. I'm looking for the one that is the 2 horsepower, which is this line. A quantity of 1 is required. And since I'm ordering something special here, I have no history with my vendor, I need to type manually the price. So this item is now being ordered. Now the second thing that I want to do is I want to make sure that once this material will arrive, it's going to be automatically allocated on the job. So I'm selecting purchase of material allocated upon receipt. From there, the system shows the different jobs that I could use to allocate the material on receipt. So I'll type machine, because in fact I'm looking for a machine repair job. This will allow me to identify the job I'm looking for. I'm going to say that the quantity that's going to be required upon receipt is going to be 1. I'll auto-complete this. At this moment, I could add some more items, but I will just save the purchase order. I will preview the PO. And also in the form that is being shipped to the vendor, it identified a job that is required. So job 10094 is the one that needs this part. Now from there, I'll move now to the PO module, the receipt module. We will complete the transaction, receive the part. So when I'm receiving the part from my vendor, I will normally enter the packing slip. I would see all the POs that are there, but typically I would see also, based on the packing slip number, I can see that the ESSER Engineering Limited PO is there, so I can double click on it and confirm to auto-complete the quantity. The quantity of 1 is now being received. I see that this part is required for job 10094, so it tells the person who's receiving the part that that part should be allocated directly to the job or to the repair job. By confirming the transaction, in this case, the part will go straight on the job, which means that no one will have to pick it and charge it to the job. If I'm moving now to the work order management screen where the job 10094 was already open here, and I'm refreshing the transaction here, these are the allocations that were made from the start. But now, if I want to see what also was consumed on the job, I can see here that there's an estimate that was made, and so far some costs have been received or charged onto the job. Some direct labor was charged, but you can also see that $550 were charged and are already associated to the material component of the job. If I'm selecting here the GL transactions related to it, I can see that there was a part that was purchased, and we can see that this is the AC drive. We see also that the quantity was already consumed and charged to the job. So this means that my job cost is live as I go. I don't have to make any or do any other transactions. Job cost will be live as you will be purchasing items directly on jobs.